In this tutorial, I will show you how to use trigger and actions, also known as rule. This powerful feature allows you to perform specific actions when an event happens in your account or within your automation. Let's set a rule that sends a flow as soon as tag is added to a contact. This flow will send a confirmation message once a tag is set on a contact. Next, we go to Tools and click on Triggers and Actions. Here, you can perform an action as soon as a new contact is created in your account. You can perform an action as soon as a customer places an order. You can perform an action as soon as the value of a custom field changes, and many more. For this example, we set tag applied as our trigger, then, corresponding action is to send the flow containing our confirmation message. Save and set to active. Time to test our tool. Go to Inbox. Apply tag to any contact. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline on the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.